Namaskar and welcome to class. Today we are learning bridge pose. It's a foundational yoga back bend which helps to strengthen the glutes, hamstrings and lower back. It also helps to stretch the chest, shoulders and hip flexors. I'll guide you through the basic version of the pose, but I'll also tell you some modifications and some key tips to make the pose easy and comfortable to practice. Let's get started. To learn the modifications of this pose, we are going to use a yoga block. So you can go ahead and pause the video now and grab a yoga block. If in case you don't have a yoga block, don't worry. I will give you another modification in which we will not need any prop at all. Let's begin lying on the back. As you lie down, bend into your knees and bring your feet closer to your hips, your sitting bones. So much closer that you are able to touch your heels with your fingertips. Nice. And now keep your feet hip width apart. Keep your arms to the sides, palms facing down. We are first learning the basic version of the pose. Now inhale through your nose. And with the next exhale, slowly pressing your feet into the mat, lift your hips up. As you drive your hips up, try and keep the engagement in your thighs so that your thighs are not flaring out. To go a little deeper in the pose, interlace your fingers and roll your shoulders a little under. This way you'll lift a little higher. Perfect. Try and keep your neck a little elongated. A slight tuck of your chin to your chest. Keep pressing through your feet down into the mat. And breathe gently through your nose. Keep looking up at the ceiling. Wonderful. Once you are ready to come out of the pose, release the bind in your hands. And then with the next breath out, slowly bring your hips down. Now this was our basic version. Now if you don't want to roll your shoulders under, you can also keep your arms to the sides. That means that when you go into that bridge pose, it's not important that you interlace your fingers. You can do a modification, but just keeping your arms in extension, palms facing down. Nice. And then slowly bring your hips down. Now, if you do have a block, let's grab the block. Keep the block on either the lowest level or the second level. I would suggest going with the lowest level if you're doing the pose for the first time. Again, keep your feet hip width apart. And driving your hips up with an exhale, slide the block under your lower back area. And then slowly rest your lower back on the block. Palms in extension, you can keep your palms down. Arms in extension, you can keep your palms down. Or you can keep your palms facing up. This is also a very restorative pose, a very relaxing pose when we place the block under. Perfect. In order to get out of the pose and get the block out, you will again press the feet, drive your hips up and slide the block out. Now, if you don't have a block, you can still do the pose or practice the pose without it. What we'll do is we'll come back to the same extending of the arms, press your feet into the mat, inhale through your nose, exhale, drive your hips up and now catch the edges of the mat. As you catch the edges of the mat, press your elbows into the mat to even go a little higher with your hips. So while you're doing this, get a feeling that you're trying to stretch the mat or trying to tear your mat with your hands. Nice. And once you're up there with your hips, keep looking up at the ceiling. And breathe in and out for at least 5 cycles of breath. Once you're ready to come out of the pose, take an exhale to slowly bring your hips down. Once you're done practicing with the pose, bring your knees to your chest, wrap your arms around, and gently rock side to side to release your back. Wonderful. Let's roll to one side and come up. Now this was bridge pose. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Remember to listen to your body and use the modifications to practice the pose safely and effectively. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in another class. Until then, take care. Om Shanti.